For the past few days, I've been receiving so many questions related to how to fix or how to recover Instagram suspended account. So in today's video, I'm gonna tell you how to fix your suspended Instagram account. So if your Instagram account has been suspended by the Instagram community, so whenever you log into your Instagram account, this message will pop up in your screen. So as you can see, we suspended your account. And what does this mean? If you're watching this message, then most probably your account doesn't follow Instagram community guidelines. If you cannot confirm your account, it will be permanently disabled. This account isn't visible to people on Instagram at the moment and you cannot use it. So basically what can you do is you can see the option of disagree with this decision. You have to press it, you have to click on it, and after that this will give you a form basically to recognize or to confirm your identity. This will ask you some simple questions, for example your Instagram handle, your current password. So within 3 to 4 business days Instagram will reactivate your account. If this doesn't work, then I have a different way to do so. So what you have to do is go to Chrome and type Instagram account disabled. Scroll down and you'll find this option, my Instagram account was deactivated. Press on it. You'll see an option. So basically my Instagram account has been deactivated. It is written all over it and there are some messages. You can just read it out. But most importantly, this gives you an option. Is this account used to present a business, product or service? You can either choose yes or no. I'll select no. And further that, you'll see the form. You have to type your full name, your Instagram username, your email address, which country are you contacting us from, so India, and then send it. So after 3 to 5 business days, Instagram will review your form or review your query, and after that they can give you some notice or some message that your account has been reactivated, or maybe you have not followed our community guidelines, so we have suspended or permanently blocked your Instagram account. So this is happening to most of the people right now. If you are still facing this kind of issue, make sure to share this video to all of your friends who are still facing this kind of issue. If you find this video helpful and informative, just give it a thumbs up, share it among your friends, and that's all for today. I'll meet you in the next one.